Closing deals shouldn't be stuck in manual processes. Just ask Iron Man. He doesn't send contracts or track them by hand. In sales, automating contract sending and tracking is key to closing deals faster. Imagine you've got a deal, but now you're chasing signatures and tracking everything manually. It's like Batman going into the field without his gadgets. You're leaving a lot to chance. Moksy can create microsites that automatically feed buyer activity. For contract automation, use DocuSign or PandaDoc to handle the sending and e-signatures. These tools make sure your contracts are sent, signed, and tracked automatically. Salesforce CPQ Revenue Cloud. You can also automate proposals and contracts, streamlining the entire process, while Zapier ensures that your contract updates sync across all platforms. You need the right tools to automate your deals. Subscribe for more tips on closing deals faster.